In this short tutorial, you will learn how to view watch history on YouTube. Sometimes, we may want to go back and watch a video that we enjoyed earlier but can't remember its name or the channel it was from. By accessing our watch history, we can easily find those videos and watch them again. To get started, open up the YouTube mobile app and then tap on the U button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on this page, you'll see the history option at the top, and it will show you a couple of videos in your watch history. To view all of the videos in your watch history, simply tap on the View All button. Now you can just scroll down and see all of the videos you've watched on YouTube. If you want to search for a specific video, you can tap on the search bar and search for the title of the video. You can also remove videos from the watch history. To do that, find the video that you want to remove, tap on the three little dots right next to that video, and then tap where it says Remove from Watch History. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.